Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Student, this is June 2025 and we're in 35. So we have this topic is differential equations and is given initial conditions are given y0 x0 and solve differential equation to find the y value when x is 2. And we can understand from here because above part not mentioned at all what is subject. In differential equation, we have to keep our focus on subject. But as you can see clearly, find y when x is 2. So our main objective is to make y subject. So y subject. So let's start. So step number 1, this dx I will multiply there. Cross multiply and look the way how I'm starting. This is done. dy equal to e to power 3y in x minus 2 dx. But basically, I'm doing separation of variables. So it means because y is subject, so all y values left side, all x value right side. So this is already left side. This I need left side, and these two x values all right side, and this x value will go on the right side. So I'm doing it. So this will go down. So I get a 1 over e to power 3y and dy and x minus 2 over x to power 2 plus 3 dx. So step number 1, separation of variables is done. Step number 2, before I go for step number 2, so this I will bring it up. It will become e to power negative 3y and dy. Okay, what about this? Students, basically, we know this is what is a base derivative? I just tell you one thing. If I have x square plus 3 and here x alone, then what is this derivative? 2x, and this is 0. And I can make it too easily and get my answer by logarithm function. Okay, function down, differentiation available in the numerator. But problem is this too. So problem is this too is creating problem for us. Then what is a way? Basically a plus b by c. In this kind of thing, algebra, what we do the separation a by c plus b by c. So this c will divide a and this c will divide b. Same process I'm going to apply here. So x over x to power 2 plus 3 separate and minus 2 over x to power 2 plus 3. I think all of you understood well how I have done separation. Okay, so now I can proceed. Okay, this I can make it a logarithm. How come? Look at the function, the rule. Function in denominator, its derivative in the numerator, and the power of function is 1 whenever. So what I can write for this, logarithm of denominator function. That's it, and plus c. So this rule I'm going to apply here. Logic, what is this derivative? 2x. What is this derivative? 0. So I need 2x. Do I have 2x available? No, 2 is missing. So I think I can do it very easily, this part. So first of all, I'm going to do separation. Okay, look at the way. Integral sign, negative, I'm integrating both sides. So this is a very clear approach up till now. Here I'm doing x over x to power 2 plus 3 dx separate, and negative 2 I bring outside. I got a 1 over x plus 3 dx. Okay, so students, up till now I believe understanding this is not a hard job for us, because I'm looking for, this is derivative is 2x and this is a 0. I need 2 only extra. So that is not a hard to produce. So 2 by 2, upper 2 will go inside. So I will get this form. So 1 by 2 and 2x over x square plus 3 dx. So function down, derivative up, same rule applicable. I can say this is not a hard job, logarithm of x square plus 3. So alhamdulillah rabbil alamin, this no problem at all up till now. And what about this integration? Increase, not increase, just keep as it is and divided by power differentiation. So I am writing this negative 1 over 3 e to power 3y, because power negative I brought in denominator. Okay, so it means two parts, students, done. What left behind? This part left behind only. And here we have some trick. And what trick we have? I'm going to introduce the formula. And formula is what? What is integration integration of 1 over a square plus x square dx. This formula is available in formula sheet and you have to memorize it as well, better to work easily. So what is the formula whenever you have this condition comes, how to integrate 1 by, okay, hold on, before I start, there's a square of a and there's a square of x basically. So what is the formula? 1 over a, this comes from this bracket value, into tan inverse, in here I'm writing what? This x comes up and a goes down. So basically this is the formula. But if you want to see one example, if I have a 3 square and plus x square, how I can apply 1 over constant, this 3 comes from here, and tan inverse, I am writing x up and 3 down. I believe all of you understand well how I have done integration. So go back and see, can I apply this rule here? So some issue is there. And what is issue? Basically, we need two squares. Okay, here I have a square. I need square also here. How to produce square here? Here I can write x, not a problem at all. But what to do here, students? Can I write 3 here? Wrong. 3 square give you 9. Basically, I can put root also here because root square will cancel and we get 3 back. So this root 3 will behave as a. So now I'm applying this property, this integration criteria on it. Basically, outside 2 available already, I'm leaving 2 as it is. And what is the formula? 1 over constant. So 1 over root 3. And then I'm writing tan inverse and variable x in the numerator. I mean x, I mean root 3 will go in denominator and plus c. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, I'm not hiding these formulas, so this is still available here. So I believe you people understanding very well how I got these values. So now, student, what to do onwards? So what is the parameters? We have a given special parameters x0 and y0. So I'm going to plug in here, put x0 and y0 to get the c value. So let's try to do it. When I plug in 0 here, something to power 0 is 1. So I got minus 1 over 3. So when I plug in 0 here, I got half ln 3. Again, what about this? When I plug in x0 here, tan inverse of 0 is 0. You can check in calculator. You can check in calculator. When you types tan inverse 0, we get a 0. So it means this completely 0 goes away and we get a c value. And c value is turned to be negative 1 over 3, negative half ln 3. Basically, I brought it here. And this c value, I'm going to put it there. So I believe all people understanding. Now I'm going to put the value. So get ready. Negative 1 over 3 e to power 3y and 1 over 2 logarithm x square plus 3. This I'm writing negative 2 over root 3 and I'm writing tan inverse x over root 3. And this both values I'm going to plug in it there, but problem is a space. 1 minute, students. So I'm going to bring slightly down. Okay, now I can work easily. So get ready and I'm going to plug in these values completely, this c value here. So let's start. Negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 2, logarithm of 3. So I got the answer. He did not mention at all, students, what is subject. He did not. I just make a rough idea. So look at, I got not a y subject, I got e to the power 3 subject. But you can see that he said find y value when x is 2. So I will not do any any calculation. Simple. I will replace whole x by 2. So let's see what happens then, students. So this is a very clear, this is a 3y, let me check, is 3y, 1 minute, yes, 3y, is equals to, when I plug in 2 here, 2 square, 4 plus 3, 7. So I'm getting here half log of 7. What about this? 2 root here, you can check in calculator and make sure in radian mode. So radian mode is compulsory. So when I type in tan inverse, so I'm getting 2 divided by root 3. So I'm getting here some number and that value multiplied by multiply by 2 and divided by root 3. So I'm getting this value simple and clear 0.98966, and rest value I'm just copy paste as it is. Okay, students, now what to do, I will type completely in calculator and then I will check it how I can proceed from there. Hold on. Let's see how we can do that other part. Okay, half times 2 log of 7 minus 0.98966 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 times 2 log of 3. My answer is turned to be negative 0.8993. Now, student, what to do? Negative, negative cancel from both sides. Cross multiply, this come here and this goes there. So I can say that e to power 3y is equals to 1 over 3 times 2, 0.8993. Basically, this number is multiplying with 3. So I got e to power 3y alone. E to power 3y alone. And let me check it into 3, and I get 1 divided by this. I'm getting here 0.3706. Now, student, what is a way to bring this down? I will take the logarithm ln of both sides. When I take log of both sides, students, I will get this form. Thus, this power will go down to log nature, so 3y times 2 ln e. After this, what is a way? You know it very well. Log of e is always 1. Like L of g or L of g of 10 is also 1. So this becomes 1 for sure. And this 3 will divide. I'm typing in calculator. So log of the answer divided by 3, and my answer is turns to be negative 0.3308. But after rounding, I'm getting 0.33. I don't want. So this is my final answer, and I believe you got the concept clear, inshallah, and question is completely over.